Hey man, do you want to know the best way to eat to get abs over 40? Then make sure you watch this video and I'm going to show you how. What's up man, Gary Walker here with liveanabolic.com. In this video, I'm going to show you the best type of nutrition strategy you can utilize to get abs over 40, all right? Here's the thing, a lot of people tell you can't. So mentally, you're probably thinking it's too late for you. Well, I'm here to tell you it's not, all right? You just have to do things slightly different, all right? And if you really, truly want them and as quickly as possible, the two things I'm gonna recommend: combine intermittent fasting and carb cycling, all right? Independently, they both work very well. Those are two good strategies. However, I want you to try doing them together to get even quicker and more rapid results. Tremendous protocol. Something I've been utilizing with a ton of my clients and gotten a lot of success with here lately. So I want you to put these two together. And first, let's start with the intermittent fasting. Very simple. Basically, all you're doing with the intermittent fasting, you are stopping your last meal, say 7 or 8 o'clock. For this video, let's say 8. Let's make it simple. Last meal at 8 o'clock. So no late night snacking. That's all you're cutting out. All right. And then you're going to skip breakfast the next day. Instead of eating at 7, 8, or 9, you're not going to have your first meal until 12 o'clock. All right. Last meal at 8, first meal 12 the next day. That is a 16-hour fast. Simple as that. All right. What that does, it leaves you with a feeding window every day. First meal at 12, last meal at 8. So you knowing that, that is your feeding window. All right. So in order to get lean, see abs, and guess what? You're gonna have to eat in a caloric deficit, but you're probably already aware of that. All right, you've gotta create your caloric deficit. Basically, eat less calories than your body is gonna utilize every day. By doing that, then you're gonna start losing weight, all right? But now by creating this intermittent fasting window, you're gonna lose weight quicker because you're also helping to optimize your hormones. That's the key, and a lot more important than just calorie reduction. Hormones are extremely important, all right? And also insulin sensitivity is the goal here. And by doing the intermittent fasting, you're gonna be knocking both of those two out. You're gonna be creating more insulin sensitivity, and that's gonna make a big difference and start optimizing your hormone levels as well, all right? So you've got your feeding window, 3 to 4 meals a day during that time. First one being 12, last one being 8. So you can add 1 or 2 more meals in between there, just evenly spaced, whatever's gonna be more convenient for you, whether you like 3 large meals or 4 smaller meals. That's completely up to you, all right? The second step in this plan, now that you've got your intermittent fasting plan down, is gonna be your carb cycling, all right? Carb cycling, simple as well. You're gonna be doing some type of resistance training, or you need to anyways if you really want to get the abs and get the fat off, all right? Abs after 40, you gotta get the fat off your abs to see your abs. So once you've created your caloric deficit, now it's about adding that resistance training to help burn even more calories, optimize your hormones. Once you've done that, you're gonna start cycling your carbs. On days you're doing your resistance training, you can have complex carbs. Basically, I like gluten-free carbs, but just make sure you're getting good complex carbs from rice, potatoes, quinoa, beans. You can do Ezekiel bread, you can do oatmeal. There's a lot of other things you can have like that. Greek yogurt, which is also high in protein. And do those on your workout days. You can even have fruits. I'm gonna throw those out there. People think you cannot have fruits. You can still eat fruit and see your abs. However, be careful when you're eating your fruit. People overconsume fruit. They assume because they're high in micronutrients, they can have a lot of them. Well, they're also high in sugar content. So you can have them, but have them in moderation. Just keep that in mind. Make sure they're not taking you over your caloric deficit. So those are the type of carbs you're gonna wanna have on the days you work out. The days you don't work out, you're gonna cycle off of those carbs. You're gonna eat protein, you're gonna eat good fat, and you're gonna eat fibrous carbs only, all right? Broccoli, asparagus, cauliflower, green leafy veggies. All of those are really good. Green beans, those are all good sources to have every day of the week. So make sure you're consuming those with your proteins and fats. It's also gonna help with your fiber, which is gonna help keep you satiated throughout the day. So that's another big thing with all of this. You don't wanna allow yourself to get hungry. Once you start getting hungry, your mind's gonna play tricks on you. You're gonna crave all these foods you don't need to be eating, all right? The processed foods and the sugar, you've gotta eliminate all that crap, all right? That's the thing. If you wanna get abs, eliminate all the crap food, replace it with all the good foods, all right? So basically, that's the blueprint, and it's really simple. You've got your intermittent fasting, showed you how to outline it. Again, make sure you're doing it, within your work schedule. I'm giving you an 8 to 12 window. However, I've got clients that work overnight, clients that work late in the afternoon, late in the evening. Everybody works different schedules. They've got different eating plans. So basically, the structure remains the same. Just make it work within your schedule. Fast 16 hours, eat within an 8-hour window. Make it fit your schedule, and it's not that difficult, all right? Same with the carb cycling, simple as that. If you're doing resistance training, then have your complex carbs. If you're not, don't have your complex carbs. Pretty simple, pretty basic, but that is the absolute best strategy to get abs over 40, and you're gonna get them. I can tell you you're gonna get them if you stay consistent with this plan. But pretty simple. If you got any questions about any of it, man, then comment below, let me know. I love to see your questions. Also, let me know what you think of this video. Comment if you want more videos like it. Then comment below, let us know. That way we know what kind of content you guys are looking for. Also, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done that. And man, one other thing, I will let you get your free workout. There's a free Ripped After 40 workout you can pick up. It's in a link in the description box. Go to that link, pick up your free workout. Shows you how you should be working out to be losing weight or getting your abs, especially if you're following this type of nutrition strategy. But man, that's all I got. You're busy, get after it, and God bless.